You're sitting in your room, sweating in a ranked lobby. It's a normal Tuesday night. Suddenly, your phone violently vibrates. A blaring, unskippable presidential alert takes over your screen. It reads, "World War III has begun. You have been drafted. Report immediately." Your heart drops into your stomach. The game is over. This is IRL now. And out here, there are zero respawns. Welcome to the ultimate survival horror. Let's see if you can survive the modern battlefield. Level 1, the departure. You are standing in a massive, cold parking lot. A line of unmarked gray buses stretches for miles. You are wearing your favorite hoodie, holding a single duffel bag. You look back at your family. They are crying. You can't even say a proper goodbye before a military officer screams at you to get on the bus. The doors hiss shut. The engine roars. The reality sets in. You belong to the government now. Level 2, the factory. You arrive at a classified boot camp. They don't want individuals. They want weapons. You are stripped of your clothes, your phone, your identity. They issue you heavy, scratchy camouflage fatigues and combat boots. A drill instructor gets inches from your face, screaming until his veins pop. You are nothing but a serial number now. You have to activate absolute NPC mode just to survive the mental abuse. Level 3, the glitch. This isn't your grandfather's war. It's level 3, and you are thrown into a hyper-realistic VR combat simulation. But it feels too real. You are learning to fight against terrifying modern tech. Autonomous drone swarms, robot dogs with mounted machine guns, and AI targeting systems that never miss. The training is brutal. Your muscles are screaming. You realize that out there, you aren't fighting men. You are fighting machines with literal aimbot. Level 4, the drop. 3 weeks later, you are strapped inside the freezing red-lit belly of a C-17 Globemaster cargo plane. You are wearing 80 pounds of tactical gear, a Kevlar helmet, and clutching a fully loaded assault rifle. The red light turns green. The massive cargo ramp opens, revealing a pitch-black abyss. The jump master screams, "Go!" You are pushed out into the freezing night sky. Your heart is pounding at 200 beats per minute. Level 5, the red zone. You hit the ground hard. You are in a destroyed, burning urban city somewhere in Eastern Europe. The sky is glowing orange from artillery fire. It looks like a literal apocalypse. You group up with your squad in the rubble of a shattered church. The silence is deafening. Every shadow looks like an enemy. You hold your breath, waiting for the first strike. Level 6, first contact. It happens instantly. The terrifying buzz of suicide drones fills the air. "Incoming," someone screams. Explosions rock the ground. Concrete shatters. You dive behind a destroyed tank. Bullets are zipping past your head, sounding like angry hornets. You blind fire your rifle into the smoke. Chaos, dust, blood. This isn't a video game. You can feel the heat of the explosions on your face. Level 7, the trench. Day 3 of deployment. You are stuck in a muddy, freezing trench. It's pouring rain. Artillery shells are screaming overhead, shaking the earth every 10 seconds. The claustrophobia is suffocating. You are covered in thick, freezing mud. You haven't slept in 48 hours. You clutch your rifle, staring into the dark, waiting for an enemy charge. You are losing your mind. Level 8, the medic. Call. A sniper shot rings out. The guy next to you goes down. He's screaming for a medic, lying in the open. Your squad leader yells at you to pop smoke. You throw a smoke grenade, creating a gray wall. You leave cover and sprint into the crossfire. You grab his tactical vest and drag him through the mud. Bullets hitting the dirt inches from your face. Pure, unadulterated adrenaline. Level 9. The Exfil. The mission is compromised. You need to evacuate. You are sprinting through a crumbling building towards the extraction zone. Red laser sights are sweeping through the dust, searching for you. You burst through a wooden door and see the heavily armored extraction chopper hovering just above a rooftop. Enemy troops are swarming the stairs below you. You have a 10-second window to make the jump. Level 10. The Survivor. You leap into the back of the chopper just as it pulls away. You collapse onto the metal floor, gasping for air. The medic goes to work on your squad mate. You look out the open door at the burning city fading into the distance. You look at your hands. They are covered in dirt and shaking violently. You survived the draft. You beat the lobby. But looking out at the ruins, you realize a part of you died down there.